Alright, so in this video, there's going to be one slight difference between the first video and the last one. If we read through it, it says solve and graph the following compound inequality. 3x minus 2 is greater than x plus 6, and x plus 1 is less than or equal to 10. So the big difference is the and here. So let's go through it and see what that difference is, because that and does make a difference versus the or. There's a reason they put and instead of or. But we're going to approach it the same way. So I'm going to copy down my first inequality, or my first part of my compound inequality. 3x minus 2 is greater than x plus 6. Alright, and if I solve that, I'm going to just add 2, because I want to have my x's on the left side, because that's what I like. And I am left with just 3x on the left side, and then I have is greater than x plus 8, and then I'm just going to subtract x from both sides so I can get all my x's on the left side. So 3x minus, remember that's technically a 1x, is 2x is greater than, and I'm just left with 8 on the right side. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and I just have x is greater than 4 for that first part of my compound inequality. And then I have and x plus 1 is less than or equal to 10. Okay, and I need to solve the second part of my compound inequality, and this one looks a lot simpler than the last one. I just have to subtract 1 from both sides. Excuse me first. And then we have x is less than or equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. And so I have x is greater than 4 and x is less than or equal to 9. So I'm just going to say 4 is right here on my number line. And 9 is, we'll just say right here. Okay, so we'll just start with the first part. It says x is greater than 4. It's not greater than or equal to, so it's going to be an open circle at 4. And I'm going to shade stuff to the right of 4 because it's everything greater than 4. So I'll go to the right of 4. I'm going to stop here for a second, okay, because I also have and it says x is less than or equal to 9, so it's or equal to, so I'm going to plot a solid circle right at 9, and it's everything less than that. Uh-oh, if I look, I see my shading in area, they're both meeting in the middle. Okay, well this is saying that x must be greater than 4, so that means I can't shade anything to the left of 4, and this is saying it must be less than or equal to 9, so it means I can't shade anything greater than 9. So I'm just need to shade everything in between these two numbers.